so introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Sunay Pandey. I am 24 years old. I am born and brought up in Amravati, which is the second largest city in Vidarbha after Nagpur. I'm the kind of a person who gets mixed up with people very easily and who pretty much knows how to build up and maintain relationship with others for a long time. I have completed my MBA in marketing from Pune University, and I have done my graduation in BCom from Amravati University, and I have done my schooling from Amravati itself. Uh, I was selected in top 30 candidates among 500 in IIM Rohtak's business plan case study competition. Talking about my hobbies, I am a music lover, and I also love to watch movies and web series. Thank you.
Okay, so can you tell me some advantages and disadvantages of joining the sales profile? Three advantage and three disadvantage.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So, ma'am, the first advantage is sales profile is the ocean of learning. So, as deeper you go, you will get to learn so many things. That is the first advantage of sales profile. And the second profile is growth. Means it's depend on your hard work. You can grow faster than any other profile in sales. And the third biggest advantage is money. You can earn more money than other, you can earn incentives which is not there in other profiles. And
disadvantage?
First disadvantage is it's a hectic job. That is the first advantage. Second is the work life balance may affect someone who is very means he wants to give, he loves to give time to his family. Maybe he will not be able to do it. And the third is you'll have at the initial level you'll have to face a lot of rejections, and you will have to face challenges. So that is the disadvantage, last disadvantage.
Okay, so now thinking about your disadvantage, now you tell me why you want to be in that sales profile.
Ma'am, yes, there are disadvantages, but I am the person who always who is positive in nature, who see positive things in all the things. So yes, it's a hectic job, but ma'am, I'm right now I'm 24 years old. So if I become become uncomfortable right now, it will be easy for me for in the ahead. Means if I handle some pressure, if I handle some pressure right now, it will be easy for me to grow. That's what I think.
Okay, so suppose two companies are offering job to you. Okay, so company A is they agreed to pay say 11 lakh per annum. Okay. And company B is Byju's. So in these two cases, which of the company you are going to join and why?
Ma'am, I'll love to join Byju's.
Okay, but in Byju's, you see, there are variables in the packages. Some basic amount and others variable, and we all know about Byju's. It's a very hectic job. You have to complete the targets. So, and company A is ready to pay 11 lakh, and which is fixed pay. There is no variable in that. So then, why you want to join Byju's?
Ma'am, basically Byju's, you are absolutely correct. Byju's job is hectic in nature, but Byju's is a brand, ma'am, and I'll be get a chance to associated with the brand. See, money is not everything for me. For me, means learnings, growth, and these are all the things which matters a lot. So that's why Byju's.
Okay, so how will you handle the stress? I mean, sometimes, or if someday happen, a lot of stress and a lot of pending works, pending targets, then suppose Monday and Tuesday are coming, but your workload is, it's increasing. There are lots of pending work. So in that case, how will you handle those things? Your weekends, I mean, the holidays are going to be in, and you have a lot of work still pending and a lot of stress. So in those cases, how will you encourage yourself? How will you motivate yourself, or what you will do?
Ma'am, actually, first of all, I will give the priority to completing the target. First priority will be completing my target. But
Mhm.
if unfortunately my targets, if I'm not able to meet the targets by any reason, I would be taking the guidance from my seniors or my managers that how can I complete it. And talking about stress management, ma'am, I do meditation daily. Half an hour I give to meditation. So I think that will help me to handle the stress a lot. It is scientifically
Okay.
proven.
Okay. So, okay, let's move on to some scenario-based question. My first scenario is that suppose I'll come to your shop to buy iPhone 12, okay?
Okay.
And then you'll have to convince me not to buy an iPhone 12, but rather to buy a OnePlus phone. But I'm a person who has a lot of interest in iPhone. I'm a very, kind of a person who loves iPhone and all. So in this case, how will you convince me to buy the OnePlus?
Okay. Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Welcome to my shop. So,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
what exactly you are looking for?
Yeah, I just want the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro.
Okay, great, great. That's great. Ma'am, no doubt iPhone is the great company, but let's have a look at this new phone launched by OnePlus. This is the flagship phone which they have launched. Ma'am,
Yeah,
see,
but no, I just want iPhone only because I love Apple and I mean, buying an iPhone was like a very dream. So I saved my money and now I'm just ready to buy the iPhone 12 or the Pro also. So I don't
okay.
want to see any other brand and any other mobile phones.
Ma'am, it's good that you are fond of iPhone. Means iPhone is the brand in itself. Everybody prefers iPhone, but ma'am, OnePlus is offering you the same features, but at the lower price. So if iPhone is the expensive brand, ma'am, it will cost you around 1,50,000. iPhone, if you look the
Hmm.
price of iPhone 12 Pro, it will cost you around 1,40,000 to 1,50,000. But
Hmm.
OnePlus is giving you the same phone in 60,000, 70,000.
But what about the classiness? iPhones are so classy, and I don't have any problem with the money. I already told you that I'm just prepared.
Okay, okay. So you are mentally prepared that you want to go for iPhone only, ma'am.
Yeah.
But if you see the camera of the OnePlus, it's just awesome. I will tell you that it's better than iPhone. It's means there is a cut-to-cut competition between OnePlus and iPhone. So there is no loss in trying this OnePlus.
Okay, but I haven't heard or I haven't checked the features or the camera quality about this OnePlus. So that's why it's a bit difficult for me to trust the brand because I know it's a very good brand, but I have never seen it in my family member or among my friends. But iPhone, we all know the 12 Pro is just the superb one.
So everybody in your family is using Apple brand, right?
No, 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 not everybody, but I know about that because some of my, family member, my cousins, my friends, they are using.
Ma'am, but if you prefer OnePlus this time, it will be give you a it will be something different than them. They all are using iPhone, means Apple brand. So if you prefer OnePlus right now, it will be something different for you. Don't you think that?
Yeah, but okay. And what about the price you told? The
It
price
will
is a
cost.
bit.
Ma'am, actually the price is a bit higher, but since you are the first customer today in our shop, we are giving you straight away 4,000 discount. So it will cost you around 64,000.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
my next question is that suppose I stay in a very cold place, let's say Shimla or Manali,
Okay.
okay, and
Okay.
then
Okay.
you'll have to convince me to buy a piece of ice in this cold area.
Piece of ice
Yeah,
in the cold area. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Ma'am, actually, you're staying right now in Shimla, right?
yeah.
So ma'am, ice will, there is also pollution is also there in these places. So it,
Yeah, a bit, but we have AC for the, for this humidity protection and all, and yeah, but yeah, it's a polluted place.
yeah, it also harms your skin tone. So this ice will solve that problem,
Yeah, but I
I
have
think.
some health issue, I'm suffering from sinusitis, so that's why I stay very far from these cold things, ice and all. So as I'm having sinus, so that's why
Hmm.
I don't like, using cold things, ice and all. So that's why for skin I use the UV protection things, and I have a lot of skincare products.
Ma'am, actually, it won't affect your skin tone. Rather than disadvantage, it will improve your skin tone, I think. So ice never harms your skin. That's what I think.
Yeah, no, no, not skin. I'm talking that I'm suffering from sinus. I have the sinus,
Okay,
so
okay, you
that's
have
why I
sinus
don't,
problem.
yeah, I have sinus problem. That's why I stay very far from these cold things. So that's why I don't prefer ice.
No, I'm not actually able to answer this question.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so my next question is that suppose I want to, gift my younger brother,
Okay,
say a very Pulsar or something. So you'll have to convince me to buy the Himalaya, Bullet, which is around 1.2 or 1.5 lakhs. Just imagine like that.
okay. So I have to convince you to
Yeah, for
buy
that
Bullet.
Himalaya, yeah, the Bullet. But I just
Okay,
want a very, normal Pulsar or something around,
okay.
80 to 90. Okay.
Okay. Oh, so ma'am, welcome to my shop. Good evening.
Good
What
evening.
exactly you are looking for?
Yeah, I just want to give, my brother a bike, but not a
Okay.
very high range bike, a simple bike and a very affordable, reasonable cost bike I want. So can you show me any that kind of a bike which doesn't cost much amount, but 80 to 75,000 I can pay.
Okay. Ma'am, how old your brother is, if you don't
Yeah,
mind?
he is 26 years old.
Okay, he's 26 years old, and yeah, you want to gift his birthday is coming, and you want to gift him.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Ma'am, actually, you are the lucky person. We have launched a new bike, that is Bullet, and we are running the festive season offer on the same. So you are that's why I'm telling you that you are the lucky customer today, and we are giving that bike on discount offer. So you can get it at 80,000.
The Himalaya one.
Yeah, ma'am. Himalaya, ma'am.
Okay, and for now, what amount should I pay? Because you are providing the bike in offer. So do I need to pay the whole amount now?
No, you don't need to pay the whole amount. We also have EMI options, and you can also pay. You can also opt for Bajaj Finance and all that options. You only need to pay 5,000 right now.
Okay. I got your point. So now can you tell me why the color of the sky is blue?
Ma'am, it is because of soil erosion and pollution. That's what I think.
Is it the scientific reason?
No, I'm not sure about it actually. I'm just guessing. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, so do you know why ice floats on water?
Ma'am, ice floats on water because the density of ice is less than water. So that's why ice floats on the water.
Okay, what is the color of the sun?
It's white.
Okay, so now let's have some BDA question. Okay,
Okay.
so suppose you are the BDA of Byju's, and
Okay.
okay, so you will come to my home for a say home counseling session. Okay,
DS
so
conduction.
yeah. So what happened? Recently, incident happened with one of our neighbor that they purchased this Byju's product.
Okay.
They enroll their child into Byju's, but what happened? Something happened which should not be, some inconvenience things happened with them, and when they asked for the refund money, they didn't get that. Okay, the
Okay.
refund money was not provided to them. So the neighbors, they spread these things all over the area where we stay. So in this case, how will you convince me to take Byju's?
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good
Ma'am,
evening.
yeah, in which standard your kid is right now?
He's in third standard.
Okay, he's in third standard. Great, great. And which pattern?
SBSC.
CBSE pattern. Great. That's great. Ma'am, actually, we I'm here to means I heard that one of your neighbors didn't get their refund, couldn't get their refund.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
You told me that. Ma'am, actually, I am apologize for the same. Actually,
Yeah,
we
but see, it's a very, strange thing because when I also asked them, I inquired with them that when they were having the session, counseling session, their counselor told that if they didn't like the products, they will get the refund. But now, when they are asking for the refund, they are requesting every day, they are not getting this thing. So if this same thing happens with us, then it will create a lot of problem because we trust you all and then we get enrolled in Byju's. After that, if we face this kind of problem, how can we trust?
Ma'am, actually, I am sorry from his side. The counselor, whoever he was there to attend, give them the demo. I apologize from his side, and ma'am, I will surely contact him. I'll look and I will look personally into this issue, and just give me 2 days, and your money will be refunded.
But what about if you also do the same thing because they also contacted the counselor and he said the same things after 2 days, after 1 week, but till now no
No,
response.
no, ma'am. I am giving you commitment from my side. It's my commitment. I am giving you my number and my all the details. Just reach out to me on this number, and you will surely get the refund. So this won't be happen from next time. This is our mistake, and we are accepting this.
Okay. So my next question is that suppose you have again visited to my house and my
Okay.
child doesn't understand English. Okay. So he understand, let's say Bengali. Okay. So in this case, how will you convince us to take Byju's? Because in Byju's there is only one mode. Yes, the English mode or the Hindi mode. Let's say.
Hmm,
So
hmm,
in
hmm.
this case, how will you convince me to take, Byju's? Because my child goes in a Bengali medium school, and you don't know about that. You just came here for, convincing us. So how will you handle this situation?
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So yeah. So in which standard your kid is studying right now?
Yeah, he's in fifth standard.
Okay. And what's your mother tongue?
Yeah, our mother tongue is Bengali, but I know English, but my child doesn't understand this language.
Your child doesn't understand English.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So he only understands Bengali, right? The
Yeah,
regional
he's in
language.
Bengali medium only. Yeah, the regional language.
Okay. Ma'am, you just told me that he's in the fifth standard right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ma'am, this is the right time to inculcate the habit of speaking English in him, because when we are at the younger stage now, when we are at the younger age, we capture the things faster than any other age. That's what I
Mhm.
think. So if you let him make it a habit of understand the concepts in English, so it will be better for him from his future career perspective as
Yeah,
well.
but see, I understand about the concept, but what about the, how will he write the exam? How will he appear for exam? Because sometimes it's very difficult if you waste half of his time in, understanding the concept. Because now he's only in five, and I don't think the concept of five is that's difficult. It doesn't take a lot of time. I only help him in his studies. He have a personal tutor also. So if he wastes his time or if he spends his time in watching those videos, after that again I will have to help him in providing the notes. His tutor will have to provide. So what is the advantage in that?
Ma'am, actually, you after enrolling into our in after enrolling in Byju's, you don't need to worry about any other things. Every problem will be solved and sorted. Recently, we have launched our new feature called Two Teacher Advantage. in which you only pay for the one teacher, but you get the advantage of two teachers in that. So one teacher is for conceptual clarity, and the other teacher is for your doubt solving. So we are not depend though. So your kid will not be dependent on a single teacher only. He will be having the support of two teachers. So he won't be. It's good that you had you look in his studies. You pay attention to him. I glad to hear that. And you also told me that you have the home tutor. But trust me, you won't be needed home tutor after this. And they because and there is a function of unlimited practice. And don't worry about that. You also can keep an eye on his performance. There is a function of knowledge graph and parent connect, so you each and every minute will be recorded. So that's what I think.
Okay, so my next question is that suppose we are a very, let's say poor family. I belong to a very poor family. So, but we need some, we need this kind of edtech. So because we can't afford personal tutor also for our child, for my child. So, and we don't have a lot of money. So in this case, how will you convince me? Because education is very much important for me and for my child. Yeah, but we don't have that much of money to afford Byju's and personal tutors or everything. So in this case, what will be your reaction? How will you handle this situation? What will you suggest me?
Okay. Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, ma'am. Which class your kid is studying right now?
Second.
Second standard. Great. And which board he is going right now?
He's from CBSE board.
CBSE board, yes. So, ma'am, how's his performance going on in school, and what is his reports from his teachers?
Yeah, he's doing good only, but sometimes he get confused with certain things. So overall, he's an average student, but I think under some guidance, he can become more better.
Yeah, sure. Glad that you told me what exactly your problem is. I have a solution for this. Don't worry, ma'am. Actually, he gets confused because he doesn't have conceptual clarity. And the conceptual clarity comes from the conceptual learning. So basically we have the product which will be solving your problem, and he will
I know about Byju's and I really like the products. I mean, sir, but one thing is that I can't afford it. I really appreciate your time and whatever you said. Thank you so much for that. But our problem, I'm just free to you, and I just want to share that we cannot afford this whole thing, because I have heard the cost of getting enrolled in Byju's is very high. So for us, I have not provided my child a personal tutor also because of this lack of money. So it's become very difficult for us to pay in certain things.
Don't worry, ma'am. Don't worry. We recently have launched a scholarship offer for students. So you can get a high amount of discount if you purchase the product right now.
Okay, but then also I have to pay some money, right?
We also have EMI options as well, ma'am. So you don't need to pay a money lump sum. You will be paying in installment. And if you are not satisfied with the product, we can give you the refund within 15 days, and that is promised from our side. But we don't think that you won't be unsatisfied with the product, because we trust our product that much.
Okay, but I heard there's a lot of things like tablet, and also do we need to buy those things?
No, you will be getting everything in the fees. Everything is included: tablet, worksheets, and all those things. And ma'am, the learning system that we are following here is conceptual learning. We teach the students to visualizations, which is not there in schools and any other place. So that will be beneficial for him, and that will be clear his concepts. You will surely see an improvement in him.
Okay, and what about how can we track our child's performance? How can we parents see him, or is there anything for that?
Okay. So there is a function of knowledge graph. where you can see his performance, that how did he perform in each and every test, and what is his overall performance. So what we do after watching the video of any particular topics, we give the test to students. We give them a test to solve, and first we give the questions of basic level. So if your kid is not able to give the answers of basic level, through artificial intelligence we understand that his basic is not clear yet, so he
Okay.
has to again watch the video. So that is the
Okay.
thing, that's why we
So,
transfer.
do Byju's provide any books and all to the students?
Ma'am, actually Byju's, whenever you enroll in Byju's, there is a kit come from Byju's. So it will include a tablet and all those things. But
And what about
we
the
don't.
books? The books we getting in our school, so same books are
No,
provided or nothing?
ma'am, actually everything is installed in the memory card which we provide. So there is no need of books as such.
Okay. Okay, then. So now you tell me any one of the quality which distinguish you from other people, and which is the best quality you have for which you should be hired as a BDA in Byju's. Only one quality I want to know.
Ma'am, actually I have the quality of building relationships with others. Ma'am, actually I'm not we are means selling is not only to sell the product to anyone. We have to build the rapport with customer, we have to build the relationship with customers, so that we can solve their problems, and we shouldn't feel like salesman, we should feel like their friend. They will obviously buy from their friend, right, and not from the salesman. So I have the quality of rapport building with customers. So that's
Okay.
that's what I have, that's what I will
Okay.
distinguish.
After getting appointed as a BDA, what will be the 3 points you will always keep in your mind while working?
First will be target completion by anyhow.
Okay.
Second will be enthusiasm, and
Mhm.
third will be positivity,
Okay.
because that is the crucial thing, positivity will be needed.
Okay. Any salary expectations?
Ma'am, since I'm in the initial stage of my career, I don't have any salary expectations. My focus is on learnings, and not I'm not that much focusing on salary.
Okay. Okay. So here we come to the end of our interview, and now we'll be having our feedback session.